Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gutter cleaning tools that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Amerimax Home Products Gutter Scoop. The extra long tongue of this shovel allows you to easily reach underneath gutter supports, and at under $5, it's less expensive than any other option on your list. Its polypropylene construction makes this a durable tool as well, while still remaining flexible enough to flex and bend to fit the gutter shape. Plus, the red color will be easy to find in a cluttered garage or toolshed. You won't be able to stay safely on the ground while using this, like you would with telescoping or pole-mounted tools, but if you're comfortable on a ladder, this low-cost option could be a great choice. The Gutter Getter Scoop is specially designed to ease the removal of debris from your gutters. The flexible tip conforms to any size gutter and makes a tough cleaning job quick and easy. It can also be used year-round as a scoop for pet food, to spread rock salt or fertilizer, and to clean up after pets. Moving on at number 4, we have Black & Decker Cordless Sweeper Kit. Black & Decker's Cordless Sweeper Kit features a powerful 36-volt lithium-ion battery, a soft grip handle and a lightweight design. The included blow tube with built-in scraper helps loosen matted leaves and twigs from your gutters. Its soft grip handle provides added comfort during use. Its blow tube with built-in scraper allows users to loosen matted leaves and stuck-on debris. The lightweight, cordless LSW36 sweeper. Power command variable speed setting. Power up your yard cleanup with the cordless Black & Decker 40-volt lithium sweeper, which eliminates the weight, noise and hassles of gas-powered equipment. It's powered by Black & Decker's high-powered 40-volt lithium battery system, which offers power, excellent runtime, and the versatility to share batteries with other tools within the system. At number 3, we have GutterSense Gutter Cleaning Tool. This nifty little tool attaches to any standard-sized extension pole or handle, and aims to eliminate the need to use your hands to clean out the gutter. It acts as a grabber, the tongs spread to 14 inches wide for a large grasp. Cleaning a gutter with your bare hands can cause painful scratches and cuts. And climbing a ladder to reach second-story gutters is just asking for trouble. Instead, keep your hands unscathed and your feet on the ground by using GutterSense, the easy-to-use rain gutter cleaning device. This clever gutter cleaner tool features large polycarbonate tongs that will grab 14 inches of leaves or pine needles from flat-bottom gutters when you pull on the 12-long braided rope included. Then just dump the debris in a trash bag or compost pile. You'll need to add your own threaded broom handle or extension pole to this gutter cleaning device. At number 2, we have Orbit Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand. Orbit's Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand is highly rated for its durability and ease of use. It can extend from 40 inches to 70 inches and has a 4-position head that you can angle to spray water where you need it. The nozzle rotates 180 degrees as well. The Orbit Telescoping Cleaning Wand has a powerful sweeping action that clears debris easily from hard-to-reach rain gutters. Extremely versatile and great for cleaning siding, windows, sidewalks, driveways, and curbs. The 4-position ratcheting head, combined with the rotating sweeper nozzle, creates a powerful cleaning spray. The wand extends from 40 inches to 70 inches so you can get to those hard-to-reach places. Quickly adjust the flow of water without going back to the faucet with the built-in valve and shut-off lever. The wand's lightweight metal construction makes for a durable cleaning tool that will keep your yard debris free for years to come. And finally at number 1, Doka Pole Multi-Purpose Telescoping Extension Pole. Dokazoo produces various cleaning products and accessories, like the multi-purpose Doka pole. It extends to 30 featuring and is easy to store and transport. It also has dual tips, one plastic and one metal, that fit with the Doka pole attachment. The Doka pole 24-foot extension pole is the perfect solution for all the hard-to-reach tasks typically requiring multiple poles. At full extension with an attachment, Your pole provides up to 30 feet of reach when used standing. Length adjustment is safe and easy even when extending in an upright orientation. Collapse the pole down to 6 feet for simple access in tight spaces as well as for storage and transport. Doka pole is the one adjustable pole to cover every need.